Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided that it's time that I use the Colourpop and KathleenLights Dream Street palette. I don't think there is a there is one video of me using this palette, which I will link up here, but I decided that, you know, I didn't really give this palette a shot. So here I am with this crazy ass look. As you can see, I did this kind of reddish teal smoky halo eye that is so out of my comfort zone, but I love it. Please excuse my voice, I am a little sick right now, so yeah, ignore that, and hopefully you'll be able to understand me in the voiceover. But anyway, if you want to see how I came up with this look using the Dream Street palette, then just keep on watching. I'm taking the shade Magical and using this as my transition shade. Then I'm taking the shade Spark and I'm placing that on the outer and inner corner, slowly building the halo outline. I'm going back into the shade Magical and I'm blending out the edges. Then I'm going back into the shade Spark and I'm intensifying the color again on the inner and outer corners. I am taking the shade Elfish and I am placing that lower than the red shade again on the inner and outer corner, slowly building the halo outline. I am going into my SOSU Complete Contour palette. I'm taking the shade 1 and I'm cleaning up the center of the eye for the halo effect. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Shine Free powder and I'm setting the concealer. I'm taking the shade Mermaid Boy and I'm placing that on top of the concealer. This is our spotlight shade. I'm going back into the shade Elfish and I'm blending out the edges of that teal shade. I'm going back into Spark and I'm blending out the top of the Mermaid Boy shade. Again, I'm going back into Elfish and I'm intensifying this color on the outer and the inner corner. I'm taking the shade Magical and I'm blending out the edges. Finally, I'm going into the shade Kaleidoscope and I'm placing that on top of the Mermaid Boy shade to bring the halo forward, basically. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the shade Magical and using that as my transition shade. Then I'm going into the Spark shade and I'm applying that closer to my lash line. I'm taking the shade Elfish and I'm placing that on the inner and outer corner of my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the shade Mermaid Boy and I'm placing that in the middle and mimicking the halo eye as it is on the top lid. Then I'm taking the Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey and I'm using that as my inner corner highlight. I'm taking my Essence J gel eye pencil and I'm placing that on my waterline and my tight line. And finally, I'm going into the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara and I'm loading that up on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that look. I plan on filming a lot more tutorials fairly soon, and most of them will be kind of New Year's inspirations. So I mean, you can take this one as a New Year's inspiration because it's super smoky and I think it's kind of sexy, at least for me. But anyway, if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.